apologize and realize. No more lies, apologize and realize. No more lies, apologize and realize. No more lies, no more lies. The lies, the cries, but it didn't come as no surprise. Just keep it real with me, real with me. This is something I want you to keep with me, keep with me. Don't break it, don't break it. Keep it 100. Wow, you say I'm a heartbreaker and a liar. Well, it takes one to know one. You're quick to accuse and you always use and abuse the ones closest to you. Now everyone sees through the lies and the cries, but it didn't come as no surprise. No, you can't compare me to the other guys. At least you could appreciate my tries. Love is the answer. Sometimes love is like cancer. Our love will never last. The thing that will always last is music and salvation. You resulted to self-destruction, my own mind. So as time went by, we both grew apart. The distance turned into an obstacle, and broken promises are unacceptable. Unacceptable, unacceptable, unacceptable.